Are you ready to elevate your spiritual journey and find deeper meaning in your life? Imagine a world where you can access profound wisdom, understand universal truths, and connect deeply with your inner self. This world is not far-fetched. It is within your reach, and one of the most powerful tools to guide you there is reading. Books have the potential to open new perspectives, provide timeless wisdom, and inspire transformative growth. In this video, we will explore essential reads that can profoundly impact your spiritual journey, helping you uncover deeper truths and enhancing your spiritual practices. Reading has always been a gateway to new realms of knowledge and understanding. When it comes to spirituality, the power of reading is unparalleled. Books allow us to delve into the minds of great spiritual leaders, philosophers, and thinkers. They offer insights that can illuminate our paths and provide guidance on our spiritual quests. The words on the pages become a bridge to deeper wisdom, enabling us to explore concepts and practices that we might not encounter in our daily lives. Spiritual reading is not just about gathering information, it is about transformation. As we read, we absorb the energy and intentions of the authors. Their words resonate with our inner truths and spark revelations within us. By incorporating spiritual books into our daily routine, we open ourselves to continuous learning and growth. These books become companions on our spiritual path, offering support, guidance, and inspiration. One of the fundamental aspects of spiritual growth is connecting with our true selves. This connection allows us to live authentically and align our actions with our deepest values. Several books can guide us on this path, helping us peel back the layers that obscure our true selves. Books such as The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle emphasize the importance of living in the present moment. Tolle's teachings remind us that our true essence is found in the here and now, not in the past or the future. By reading such works, we learn to quiet the noise of the mind and connect with the stillness within. Another profound read is The Untethered Soul by Michael A. Singer. This book delves into the nature of consciousness and the process of freeing ourselves from the habitual patterns of thought that limit our experience of life. Singer's insights guide us towards a deeper understanding of our inner selves and the boundless potential that lies within. Expanding our consciousness involves broadening our awareness and understanding of the world around us. It is about seeing beyond the physical and tapping into the deeper layers of existence. Books that focus on mindfulness and present moment awareness are invaluable in this regard. Wherever You Go, There You Are by Jon Kabat-Zinn is a foundational text on mindfulness. Kabat-Zinn's teachings emphasize the importance of being present and aware in every moment. Through mindfulness practices, we learn to observe our thoughts and emotions without judgment, creating space for greater awareness and insight. Another essential read is The Miracle of Mindfulness by Thich Nhat Hanh. This book offers practical exercises and meditations to cultivate mindfulness in everyday life. Thich Nhat Hanh's gentle guidance helps us develop a deeper connection with ourselves and the world around us, fostering a sense of peace and clarity. Healing is a crucial part of the spiritual journey. It involves addressing past wounds and cultivating a deep sense of self-love and acceptance. Books that offer guidance on emotional and spiritual healing can be transformative. Radical Acceptance by Tara Brach is a powerful book that explores the concept of self-compassion. Brach's teachings encourage us to embrace ourselves fully, acknowledging our imperfections and treating ourselves with kindness. Through this process, we heal old wounds and create a foundation of self-love. Another transformative read is The Gifts of Imperfection by Brené Brown. Brown's work highlights the importance of vulnerability and self-compassion. By embracing our imperfections and practicing self-love, we can lead more authentic and fulfilling lives. The universe operates according to certain principles, and understanding these laws can significantly enhance our spiritual growth. Books that explain the universal laws provide us with a framework for understanding how the world works and how we can align ourselves with these principles. The Secret by Rhonda Byrne is a widely popular book that explores the law of attraction. Byrne's teachings emphasize the power of positive thinking and visualization in manifesting our desires. By understanding and applying the law of attraction, we can create a reality that aligns with our deepest aspirations. Another insightful read is The 7 Spiritual Laws of Success by Deepak Chopra. Chopra outlines 7 fundamental principles that can guide us towards a successful and fulfilling life. These laws include the law of pure potentiality, the law of giving, and the law of karma. By integrating these principles into our daily lives, we can create harmony and balance. Intuition is a powerful tool on the spiritual path. It is our inner compass, guiding us towards decisions that are in alignment with our highest good. Developing and trusting our intuition can lead to greater clarity and purpose. Sacred Contracts by Caroline Myss is an excellent book for understanding and developing intuition. Myss explores the concept of archetypes and how they influence our lives. By recognizing and working with these archetypes, we can enhance our intuitive abilities and make more aligned decisions. Another valuable read is The Psychic Pathway by Sonia Choquette. This book offers practical exercises and techniques to develop intuition and psychic abilities. Choquette's teachings help us trust our inner guidance and navigate life with greater confidence and clarity. Daily spiritual practices are essential for maintaining a strong connection with our inner selves and the divine. Books that provide practical tips and guidance for spiritual practices can be incredibly beneficial. The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod is a powerful book that outlines a morning routine designed to enhance personal development and spiritual growth. Elrod's routine includes practices such as meditation, affirmations, and visualization. By incorporating these practices into our daily lives, we can create a foundation for ongoing spiritual growth. Another essential read is Meditation for Beginners by Jack Kornfield. This book offers practical guidance for establishing a meditation practice. Kornfield's teachings help us develop mindfulness and presence, creating a space for deeper spiritual connection. Exploring higher dimensions and spiritual realms can expand our understanding of existence and deepen our connection with the divine. Books that delve into these topics offer profound insights and guidance. Journey of Souls by Michael Newton is a fascinating book that explores the concept of life between lives. Newton's research and case studies provide a glimpse into the soul's journey beyond the physical realm. By understanding these higher dimensions, we can gain a deeper appreciation for our spiritual path. Another enlightening read is The Afterlife of Billy Fingers by Annie Kagan. This book recounts Kagan's experiences communicating with her deceased brother. His messages from the afterlife offer profound insights into the nature of existence and the continuation of consciousness beyond death. A supportive community is invaluable on the spiritual path. It provides a space for sharing experiences, receiving guidance, and finding like-minded individuals. Books that emphasize the importance of community can inspire us to seek and build these connections. The Celestine Prophecy by James Redfield is a novel that explores the idea of spiritual community and synchronicity. Redfield's story highlights the importance of connecting with others who share our spiritual values and goals. By seeking out and nurturing these connections, we can enhance our spiritual growth. Another valuable read is Living Beautifully by Pema Chodron. This book offers guidance on how to live with openness and compassion, fostering a sense of community and connection. Chodron's teachings remind us of the importance of supporting and being supported by others on the spiritual path. Real-life stories of spiritual transformation can be incredibly inspiring and motivating. They show us what is possible and provide examples of how others have navigated their spiritual paths. Autobiography of a Yogi by Paramahansa Yogananda is a classic spiritual memoir that recounts Yogananda's life and spiritual experiences. His journey is filled with profound insights and lessons, offering inspiration to readers seeking their own spiritual growth. Another inspiring read is The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. This allegorical novel tells the story of a shepherd named Santiago and his quest for personal legend. Coelho's tale is a beautiful reminder of the power of following one's dreams and listening to the heart. Reading has the power to transform our lives and guide us on our spiritual paths. The books we've discussed offer profound insights, practical guidance, and inspiration for anyone seeking to deepen their spiritual journey. By incorporating these essential reads into our lives, we can connect more deeply with our inner selves, expand our consciousness, and enhance our spiritual practices. These books become companions on our path, offering support and wisdom as we navigate the complexities of life. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on spiritual growth and personal development. We would love to hear from you, so leave a comment below about your favorite spiritual books or any recommendations you have. Remember, your spiritual journey is unique, and these books can be powerful tools to help you navigate it with greater clarity and purpose. Thank you for watching, and may your path be filled with light and wisdom.